class of cyber security. Today we will learn about steganography. What is steganography? It is the art and science of writing hidden messages in such a way that no one apart from the sender and intended recipient suspects the existence of the message, a form of security through obscurity. It is a technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary non secret file or messages in order to avoid detection. The secret data is then extracted as its destination. The use of steganography can be combined with encryption as an extra step for hiding or protecting data. Steganography is the practice of concealing a file, message, image, or video within another file, message, image, or video. The word steganography is of Greek origin and means concealed writing, from the Greek word steganos, meaning covered or protected, and graphin, meaning writing. Steganography means hiding one place of data within another. Since everyone can read, encoding text in neutral sentences is doubtfully effective. Consider a sentence. Since everyone can read, encoding text in neutral sentences is doubtfully effective. If we consider the first alphabet of every word, S, E, C, R, E, T, I, N, S, I, D, E, we come to the word secret inside. This is the example how we can practice sending secret data within an ordinary message or within an ordinary sentence. History of steganography. The first recorded use of steganography can be tracked back to 440 when Herodotus mentions two examples of steganography in his histories. Demaratus sent a warning about forthcoming attack to Greece by writing it directly on the wooden backing of a wax tablet before applying its beeswax surface. Wax tablets were in common use then as reusable writing surfaces, sometimes used for shorthand. Ancient Chinese wrote messages on fine silk, which was then crunched into a tiny ball and covered in wax. The messenger then swallowed the ball of wax. Special inks were important steganographic tools even during Second World War. Generally, the hidden message appear to be a part of something else. Image, articles, shopping list, or some other covered text. For example, the hidden message may be in invisible ink between the visible lines of a private letter. Some implementation of steganography that lack a shared secrets are forms of security through obscurity, and key dependent steganographic schemes. During Second World War, a technique was developed to shrink photographically a page of text into a dot less than 1 millimeter in diameter and then hide this microdot in an apparently innocuous letter. The first microdot has been spotted. Steganography includes the concealment of information within computer files. Additionally, Demetrius once sent a warning message. As I have explained, it sent a warning message for forthcoming attacks. Wax tablets were in common use then as reusable writing surface, sometimes used for shorthand. Nowadays, in digital steganography, electric communication may include steganographic coding inside of a transport layer, such as a document file, image file, program, or protocol. Media files are ideal for steganographic transmission because of their large size. For example, a sender might start with an image file and adjust the color of every 100 pixel to correspond to a letter in the alphabet. The change is so subtle that someone who is not specifically looking for it is unlikely to notice the change. What are different physical techniques? Hidden messages within wax tablet, hidden messages on messenger's body, hidden messages on paper written in secret inks, messages written in Morse code on knitting yarn and then knitted into a piece of clothing worn by a courier. Messages written on envelope in the area covered by postage stamps. Messages written in envelope. Actually, in the earlier days of printing press, it was common to mix different typefaces on a printed page because the printer did not have enough copies of some letters in one typeface. Thus, a message could be hidden by using two or more different typefaces such as normal or italic. During World War II, a espionage agent used photographically produced microdot to send information back and forth. Microdots were typically minute. World War II microdots were embedded in the paper and covered with an adhesive. In 1968, crew members of the intelligence ship held as prisoners by North Korea communicated in sign language during staged photo opportunity to inform the United States that they were not defeaters but captives of North Koreans. Now we compare steganography versus cryptography. In steganography, unknown message passing. In cryptography, known message passing. Steganography is also known as cover writing, whereas cryptography it means secret writing. Steganography prevents discovery of the very existence of communication. In cryptography, encryption prevents an unauthorized party from discovering the contents of a communication. In steganography, it is a little known technology. Cryptography is a common technology. The goal of steganography is secret communication, whereas the goal of cryptography is data protection. In steganography, the structure of message is not altered. In cryptography, the structure of message is altered only of the transmission. Steganography is less popular, whereas cryptography is more commonly used. Steganography relies on key, cryptography relies on no parameters. Steganography is a little known technology, whereas cryptography is a common technology. In steganography, technology is still being developed for certain formats. In cryptography, most of algorithm is known by all. Steganography, it is supported by confidentiality and authentication security principle. In cryptography, confidentiality, data integrity, authentication and non-reputations is there. In steganography, one detected message is known. In cryptography, strong current algorithms are resistant to attack. Larger expensive computing power is required for cracking. Steganography does not alter the structure. Cryptography alters the structure of secret message. Steganography is implemented in audio, video, image and text, whereas cryptography is implemented only on text file. The type of attacks faced in steganography is steganalysis, whereas cryptanalysis is the type of attack faced by cryptanalysis is the type of attack which is being faced. Combined cryptosteganography. If we merge steganography and encryption, then it becomes invisible, that is, it becomes more powerful. We can see plain text encryption algorithm is used, it is changed into cipher text. This portion is cryptography, and then cover image and then stereo image, this is steganography. So crypto steganography, stegano image we got cipher text, and then at the receiving end decryption is done, and then we obtain plain text. This one is more powerful as we have combined both cryptography and steganography. Evolution. In earlier days, watermarking was being used. Then with time, cryptography evolved, and then with time, steganography comes into picture. Basic steganography model. There's a secret message and a cover photo. Both of them are merged or given as input to stegano system encoder, and then the output we received is stego object. After stegano system encoder, key is used to encode. Also at the receiving edge, stegano system decoder is used by using the same key and original cover. Estimate of secret image is obtained. Stego object is passed through communication channel, and then at the receiving end, stego system decoder gives estimate of secret message. Steganography terms: carrier or cover file, an original message or a file in which hidden information will be stored inside of it. Stegomedium, the medium in which the information is hidden. Embedded or payload, the information which is to be hidden or concealed. Steg analysis, the process of detecting hidden information inside a file. That is called steg analysis. It is a part of steganography. What are the types of stegosystems? There are three basic types of stegosystem. Pure stegosystem, where no key is used. Secret key stegosystem, secret key is used. Public key stegosystem, public key is used. Now we come to text steganography. Text steganography can be applied in the digital markup format, in PDF, digital watermark or information hiding. It is more difficult to realize the information hiding based on text. The simplest method of information hiding is to secret the cover first, adopt given rule to add the phraseological or spelling mistake or replace with synonym word. Example, texto setups some sentence structure in advance, fills in empty location by arranged words, and then the text doesn't have phraseological mistake but have some word changes or morphology mistakes. Text hide hides the information in the manner of text overwriting and word selection. This is the example of text steganography. Mirror changes to the shape of character is obtained. We can see that there is a mirror change. This one is the exact character, actual character, and after mirror changed the shape of character is done. This one is the change. Image steganography, using image files as host for steganography messages, takes advantage of the limited capability of the human virtual system. Some of the more common method of embedding message in image files can be categorized into two main groups: image domain method and transform domain method. Here we can find that steganography is of various type: text, image, audio or video, and protocol. In image, transformation domain and image domain is there. Both are different techniques, and transformation domain 3PG and patchwork. Similarly, under image domain also patchwork, LSP BMP or LSP function GIF is there. Then in transform domain there is spread spectrum. Audio steganography, embedding secret message into digital sound, is known as audio steganography. Audio steganography method can embed message in WAV, AU and even MP3 sound file. The properties of human auditory system are exploited in the process of audio steganography. Application, it is used in modern printer, allegedly used by terrorists, alleged use by intelligence services. Thank you for watching.